So hey guys, this is Biswajit and welcome to my YouTube channel. So a few weeks ago, I uploaded a video regarding a machine learning project that I made. Few people actually liked that project, and one person reached out to me for more details. That's actually gave me a lot of motivation. So I thought of uploading more such projects like this because I have a few projects that I have created. Likewise, in this video, I'm going to define the problem statement, and in the upcoming video, I'm going to talk about the deployment, the coding part, everything. So it will be in sequence. So first of all, today's task is we are given a data set which contains details of adults such as their age, their education, their work class, their occupation, their gender, their capital gain. So using this, we have to predict whether the person earns greater than 50,000 or it's lesser than 50,000. So this is a typical classification problem that we are supposed to do. So the data set is already available in the internet, so you can just get it very easily. I'll share the data set link in the description. This was the problem statement, and in the upcoming videos, I'm going to talk about the Jupyter notebook file, like the code that I have done, the pre-processing, the pipelines that I have created. Next, we are going to talk about the machine learning part, and then we are going to talk about the deployment part. In the upcoming videos, in the upcoming project, this is going to be the pattern. First, I'm going to explain the problem statement. Second, I'm going to explain the Jupyter Notebook file, the coding part, the machine learning part, then the deployment part. So all these videos will be available in the playlist. Okay. So I hope I was able to explain the problem statement, and in the upcoming videos, you'll be able to see the coding part. If you enjoyed this kind of machine learning project series, so just give a like, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.